Hello student. Today we will study the separation of the mixture of a solid and a liquid. In last video we have done the separation of the mixture of two solids in which both are the component of mixture. It is solid in state. But today we will study the mixture heterogeneous mixture, separation of heterogeneous mixture in which one component is solid form and second is in the liquid form. This type of mixture separated by the following method. First is filtration. First method it is filtration. It is filtration. In this method, if the one component it is solid, it is insoluble in the liquid, that time we will use the filtration technique. In this filtration technique, we will first fold the filter paper and it is fixed in the conical flask and the mixture transfer in this conical flask. The filtrate is left on the filter paper and the residue go in the beaker. So this is the filtration technique. In this filtration technique, this is the beaker. In this beaker we will fit the conical flask by help of the stand. This is the stand. In this stand we fit the filter paper and we will pour the heterogeneous mixture, like the example of the heterogeneous mixture, like the mixture of chalk and the water, या sand and the water, the sand mixture of the sand and water. In this technique, because sand particle bigger in size, that's why it is left on the filter paper and residue go in the filtrate go in the beaker. So this is the filtrate. This is the filtrate water and the insoluble solid, it is residue. So this technique is known as the filtration. In this technique, if the one component of the heterogeneous mixture it is insoluble in liquid, that time we will use a filtration technique. Define of the filtration technique, it is filtration. It is used for separating the insoluble substance from the liquid. And in this technique, first we use for filtration we use the filter paper. Filter paper generally in the round and spherical shape was we fold in one time and the second time that it convert into the cone shape. This cone shape filter paper we will fit in the conical flask which is the set in the stand, and the beaker, arrange the beaker in downside the funnel. First we transfer this mixture in this conical flask. The water it is goes in the beaker, it is filtrate and the residue left on the filter paper. So we can easily separate the sand and water from the mixture by help of the filtration technique. The next process for separating the solid and the liquid mixture, it is centrifugation. It is very easy method. It is centrifugation. Next method is centrifugation. If the heterogeneous mixture suspended particle present in the liquid, that time we will use the centrifugation technique for removal of these suspended particle from the liquid. The define of the centrifugation technique is that centrifugation is the method for separating the suspended particle of a substance from a liquid in which the mixture is rotated at a high speed in a centrifuge. It's like the centrifuge, like mixture grinder. And the application of this technique, it is also known as the churning. It is used for separating the cream from the milk, and it is also used in diagnostic laboratory for blood and the urine test. And next use of this technique, it is used in dairy and home to separate the butter from cream. Third use of this technique, it is used in washing machine to squeeze out from water from the wet clothes. So these are the uses of centrifugation technique. So these are the two techniques for separating the solid mixture of solid and a liquid. Next technique, it is evaporation and the crystallization, chromatography and distillation. These are the other technique to separate the mixture of a solid and a liquid. We will study in the next video. Thank you.